Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to remove objects, text and person from an image. So to start doing it, we are going to use these three images, this one and this one. So we are going to use these three images, and to start editing what we are going to do is in this image we are going to remove this text. So as this text says until that tears us apart, and I don't want this text over here, I don't want this text in the image. What I will do is go to this marquee tool over here, long click on it and select the rectangular marquee tool. So I've selected the rectangular marquee tool. Now the only thing that I will do is just make this rectangular box over here like this, and after making the box, as you can see, I have selected the portion which contains the text. Now to remove the text, what I will do is go to edit and go to fill. So earlier in the fill section, all we have done is used black and the white color to fill the background, but in this case we are going to use this content aware. So what will happen is this content aware effect will be applied to the selected region, and whatever we need to remove will get removed. So once you click on OK, you can see the magic. It takes some time usually, but as you can see, the text has gone and the image just looks flawless. The way it looks like it's the normal image. There is no text or there's no disturbance in the image. It just looks natural and flawless. I will go to select and deselect. So this is our image, and let's go on to the next image. So this is the next image. I'll just zoom into the picture. So in this image, we are going to remove this man because he is kind of inside the image and I don't want that man to be in the image. So this image is going to take some work. It's going to take some time, but we can do one short trick. That is, using this polygonal lasso tool, we can just select the areas like which cover the man and the shadow. So to start with, I'll just start selecting from here. I'll quickly just plot some points. Okay, again I'll do it. You can use normal lasso tool as well, but I prefer polygonal lasso tool in most of the cases. But if you feel that your hand is quite steady and you can work around with the normal lasso tool, you can always use the lasso tool and just drag and draw the shape which you want to remove from the image. So this is kind of roughly the selection that I would make to remove this person, and I've selected this person. Now I'll just zoom out again. So I'll go to edit, fill, content aware, and OK. So as you must have noticed, the man has gone, but there are some small flaws in the image. So to resolve those issues, to resolve those flaws, we are going to use rectangular marquee tool and just make a selection from here to here. Then press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste that image and just move it over here to kind of make it little bit camouflaged. I know it's not perfectly camouflaged, but it still looks well with the background. Somewhat like this. Now we'll work with this part. So again, just go to this rectangular marquee tool, select this part, just go to the background, then Control C and Control V. Again, just move it over here like this. And maybe if we just zoom out the image, it doesn't look that bad now. It still looks kind of sharp and original, like it doesn't get caught easily. So for the time being, we are just going to leave it like this, and let's move to this photo. So as we are running out of time, I've already kept this photo, this man selected, because I don't want this man to be inside my photo. I don't want this guy to be in the image. So I've selected the guy using the polygonal lasso tool. As you can see, I've made almost the most perfect selection I could do using the polygonal lasso tool. I've selected every bit of the person, and once I'm done with that, I'll go to edit, go to fill, content aware, and click on OK. It's gonna take some time. And as you can see, if I go to select and deselect, as you can see, the man has gone, and the image also looks flawless this time. Just this small problem over here, if you notice it, else it's just perfect. There's just small problem over here. So what we are going to do is again go to this. Okay, let's do lasso tool this time. So let's go to lasso tool and just select this portion. So we've used the polygonal lasso tool and selected this portion. Let's see if that looks good after pasting it on the the flawed parts. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Press enter. Let's do it with this part as well. So again, go to the this magnetic lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool, I'm sorry, and let's start selecting from here. Oh, that's gonna be tough. Again, let's go to this part, Control C and Control V. I've pasted that part. Let's move it. Where is it? This part it is. We'll have to work even more for covering this area. So let's just try one thing. Again, using the polygonal lasso tool, let's try content aware for the second time. Let's see if that works. Go to edit, fill, and click on OK. Okay, so I'll have to go to the background once again. Let's repeat the steps. Fill, content aware, click on OK. If you just deselect it, oh, it looks bad, right? Let's undo it. And well, here we are. So in the next tutorial, what we are going to see is some more tools and some more effects using this content aware fill, and some more tools to remove objects and people from the image. So well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.